Hi everyone, as you can tell, I love Anker products. So we'll do a series in which I'll review each and every one of them I've got. Today we'll look at these Anker Soundbuds Slims. These soundbuds are the first piece of Anker gear I ever got, and I was instantly impressed by the quality for the price I paid. They're really simple. You get your remote, your cable, and both earbuds. The remote integrates the microphone, has up and down volume button that you can also use to switch tracks, and to charge it you get your micro USB cable. What I really liked with these earbuds is the fit. With these tiny ear stuff, well, you can really adjust it and they won't move. You can use it for sport, you can use it for pretty much anything. They work great. My favorite feature is that on the back of both earbud there's a magnet. Not a speaker magnet, but a magnet that you can use to attach both of them around your neck. It holds just enough to stay in place when you don't wear them to listen to music, so super convenient so that you don't have to store them away whenever you're not using them. Seriously, for the price, best bang for your buck. You get around 6-7 hours of playtime on a charge, which is pretty insane considering the size of the battery. I don't even know where it is. One thing I didn't mention is that those silicone thingy that I like, well, you get different sizes, like you do with the in-ear silicone insert. So you really get that proper fit to your custom ear. Alright, that's it. And I had those things for probably 5 years now, and they're still working perfectly. I put a link in the description so you can get a pair of your own. Thanks for watching and consider subscribing.